all kinds of freestyle now?
Yeah.
Alright. To the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pumps. Back. 2, 3, 4. Lose your mind. 2, 2, 3, 4. Up and down. Okay, 1. You're boxing. 2. Where's the 2? Do your chicken. Do your chicken. 3. What are you doing? You gotta do it.
That's right. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. You know the rules? You got it? When it's your turn, you're going to yell the answer? No. No, you guys got a few seconds to talk. Alright, we'll do the little music thing.
Hair wiped on the sofa, smeared in the air. Put them in your pocket and you save it for a rainy day. But the one sign you hate the most, I suppose, are the ones that stick to a hair in your nose. Can't get them out, no matter how hard you try. What do I talk about?
Boogers!
Talking about boogers.
Boogers!
Boogers, get them every day. I'm talking about boogers.
Boogers!
Talking about boogers.
Boogers!
Boogers, they're here to stay. Yeah, pick a little one for me.
Squirrely, squirrely, shake that bushy tail. Squirrely, squirrely, shake that bushy tail. Put a nut between your toes, sprinkle out your nose. Squirrely, squirrely, shake that bushy tail.
Back. Lose your mind. Forward. Up and down. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you. 2. Now you guys get 2, 2, 3, 4. Now you. But I want you guys to keep doing it. Okay, keep doing your moves. So I'm gonna keep punching the whole time, right? Except
You're welcome. Line up, line up, line up. So, gentlemen, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm going to be here for each and every one of you, and I'm going to help you out. Ready? That's Ándale. I dare you. Splash me. I dare you. Right here. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let's get him wet! Get him wet! Get him wet! Get in! Oh, that's man, you're such a baby. Another baby, look. Sorry, your foot got hurt.
Hey, come out here so I can throw you back in. Come here. Oh, God. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Oh, hey. Just jump in, dude. Just jump in. Ah!